Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
ఎప్పుడైనా కామెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం లో ఓటింగ్ శాతం దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ అ వన్ డే ప్రాబ్లం. కంటిన్యూస్ ఎంగేజ్మెంట్, continuous motivation is the only way we can have true democracy. I think this is one step towards that also. ఇంకొకటి మీరందరికీ తెలుసు, ప్యూర్ ఎలక్టరల్ రోల్స్, పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఎలక్టరల్ రోల్స్ అయితే ఎలక్షన్ కండక్ట్కి 90% పని అయిపోతుంది. 90% ఆఫ్ ద వర్క్ ఇస్ డన్ ఆన్ ది బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ ఎలక్టరల్ రోల్స్. కరెక్టా కాదా? ఈ లో ఓటింగ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ కూడా ఇప్పుడే ఈ డిస్కషన్ ఇక్కడ జరిగింది. ఈ ఏరియాలో చాలామంది అంటే వేరే వేరే జిల్లాల నుండి వచ్చి పని చేస్తున్నారు, లేకపోతే ఈవెన్ నేబరింగ్ స్టేట్ ఆంధ్ర నుండి ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా చాలామంది ఉన్నారు. వీ రిక్వెస్టెడ్ ది ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్, ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణ ఎలక్షన్స్ ఒకే రోజు ఉండాలి. ఆనరబుల్ ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ కూడా ఇమీడియట్గా ఒప్పుకున్నారు. బికాస్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ దే డోంట్ వాంట్ ఆల్ దిస్ డూప్లికేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ దాట్. Naturally percentage dropped because now the choice was to vote here or there. So ఈ duplication element చేసిన వల్ల కూడా మనకు కొంచెం శాతం తగ్గింది. Better that a genuine result with 50% voter is better than a manipulated result with 70-80 inflated results. So అందుకని మనం పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఒక ఎలక్టరల్ రోల్ చేయాలి. ఈ క్యాంపెయిన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు కమిషన్లో ఇంటర్నల్ డిస్కషన్, సీనియర్ ఆఫీసర్స్, ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ members of the commission, commissioners themselves, మేము కూడా డిస్కస్ చేశాము. జస్ట్ నౌ ఎలక్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఓవర్, ఇస్ దిస్ ది కరెక్ట్ టైం టు టేక్ ఇట్ అప్? కాన్స్లో సపోజ్ we find that a lot of people are having wrong names, wrong entries, then there can be questions raised that why did you conduct elections with such imperfect role? What kind of elections have you conducted? కానీ ప్రోస్లో ఇప్పుడు మొన్న మీరు 2 ఎలక్షన్స్లో పాల్గొన్నారు. యూ నో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఎక్కడ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మీ పేర్లు తప్పులు ఉండవచ్చు, మీ పోలింగ్ స్టేషన్ దూరం ఉండవచ్చు. సమ్ పీపుల్ మే నాట్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఏబుల్ టు గెట్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ ఎన్రోల్డ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ది టైమ్ టు క్యాచ్ పీపుల్. దిస్ ఈస్ ది టైమ్ వెన్ యూ స్టిల్ ఎలక్షన్స్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ ఫ్రెష్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ ఫ్రెష్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. ఆఫ్టర్ కన్సిడర్డ్ డిబేట్ we took a call that we will start this, and lot of effort has been made. Andaru cheptunnaru there is difficulty in going there, it is easy if I get a polling station in my home to vote. May I remind you that many countries do not give voting rights to all their citizens today also. Government in a very big neighboring country of ours are elected by party members, not by general public. You may know which country I am talking about. There are certain countries which exclude one gender from voting. You may know which country. I don't want to from this guy's name countries. కానీ మీకు తెలుసు అలా కూడా ఉన్నాయి. మనకు చాలా ప్రోగ్రెసివ్గా అందరికీ హక్కు వచ్చింది. We should guard this. So, first step is to correct the electoral rolls, and then slowly, when you take a campaign, say, I see IT company representatives of large IT parks here, senior leaders. When you do this, the person who goes and spends 15 minutes getting their name corrected and getting that epic card gets engaged with the democracy. Tomorrow he starts reading, oh, they have brought this like tax, it is not good for entrepreneurs. Their engagement increases. We want to do that. Get into the philosophy of democracy. It's not a mere question of voting or getting a epic card. Fundamental changes need to come. I'm sorry, many educated people put up policies ki aa vidhanga chuputam, but it affects you and me. Right now, startup policy has been eased up. Unfortunately, Principal Secretary IT and Industry could not join today. He said he will try. He is in meeting. Some commission hearing is there on women entrepreneurship there, which he is chairing. So, but he was, you see, when we change policies, it benefits you or it hurts you. A good initiative has been started by Chandana here on collection of garbage. And tomorrow by your voting patterns you will influence such policies. You can vote for it, you can vote against it. Every day our lives, roads, security, all these aspects and it is by voting. First step is getting the right people registered, right details. So I don't want to cover about the process, it has been talked much. It is very, very user friendly. But 2-3 things I want to request people on the dais, of the dais, andarki. Definitely we will recognize good performance. National level lo already POski like BLOski. Daily by the hour వాళ్ళు monitor చేస్తున్నారు how many people have visited and enrolled. నిన్నటి వరకు 80,000 ఇవాళ మధ్యాహ్నం 2 o'clock నేను డైరెక్టర్తో మాట్లాడితే ఆయన అన్నారు your state is doing well sir 1.5 lakh వరకు వచ్చింది. That is the kind of interest election commission lo ఉంది. They are watching that much how much what is the footfall on the sites. So kindly all of you RWAs, IT industry, lions of the industry, the GHMC and the commissionerate, kindly మీరు ఎక్కడైనా వెళ్ళి దయచేసి అందరికీ ఒకసారి అడగండి who's your authority, have you conducted in your own site. We have big companies, we have big BPOs, 20,000, 25,000 employees are there. This time we will not even disturb their work. The CEO or the vice president on the HR side can just request all employees and facilitate somewhere where during some time they can just come and check. That's all we require. But if all companies do it, and this has to be monitored by you, Chandran, because all IT is concentrated in your area, and you, J&T. Similarly, RWAs ki, మీరు అన్నారు that you had come to me, we had met. This time we have given formal recognition. దీనికంటే ఎక్కువ ఏం లేదు. Even BLOs cannot give bulk applications. And if you have any difficulties in like getting Form 6, anything, you can note down my phone number 850-108-9988. You call me, I will only solve it. There is no problem with that. And the channel also available. Anytime you want. 850, it's anyway public number, Amma. 850-108-9988. I don't know in this meeting all if there are any persons or not, but so many people give strange messages. I pass it on to Ravi, get it sorted out, and then I reply to it. You may be wondering why I send you all this, somebody is not got Epic card on. This is why, to maintain that connect. So, ala chestam, and as I have mentioned, we will have the same evaluation for RWAs also, as we have for BLOs. On 25th January, we celebrate the Voters' Day, National Voters' Day. 25th January, because the Constitution was adopted on 26th January. One day before that, we passed on the powers to all citizens to become voters in this great country. So, we are going to give you that 5 best RWAs will get the same recognition, same yardsticks and same recognition. Is there anything else I can do to encourage you? Now you perform and meet. Okay. So anyway, I will not take much time, but I would like, maybe Chandra, you can take the lead, Ravi, you should also monitor it. Please see a list of the big IT companies. You have to of course cooperate with us, Varni Garu, Meeru. Please see that the list of the biggest IT employers is there. Maybe you can take like companies which have above 5,000 or 10,000, take a critical mass because at your seniority. Maybe you can monitor those above like 15,000 or something. How many will be above 15,000? 10? 5, 10? So we can do that together somewhere. True. So what I'm saying is that let us keep track of it ourselves on the senior most level. I'll be very happy, Mindspace, if you organize someday, I'll be very happy 1 week, 10 days, 15 days down the line after write this thing. People can come and enroll. But let us keep the motivation up. This is not only about electoral roll correction, which is of course important in itself, but also for engaging our citizens and more so the educated and young population in our electoral process. Otherwise, they become cut off. And when you become cut off, you just sit and criticize everything. Oh, those people, they are like that only. Politicians like it. You go and elect, you make governments, go and like start jumping into the pool and swimming. Appudu telusadi enta lekante kashtam undi to bring about changes. So I think this is something we can do. I would suggest that maybe above 10,000 we can have a cutoff where you, Ravi, Lokesh, the correct concerned collectors, do you come under Rangareddy or Rangareddy? So who is there now? Harish. Yeah, so people like that can come and participate. CP గారికి చెప్పండి కొంచెం మీరు కొన్ని చేయండి 4-5 చూస్తాను, you also should do. But senior officers will come and try and be a part of it, and that will maybe also show the seriousness of the government in this. But beyond that, it is not for ECI or for my commissioner or the GHMC commissioner to do this. It's your job also, right? So we'll do that, and then below that also try and have a targeted date-wise thing for these kind of, even in your offices, even in your commissionerate, you can organize something. Oka roju, ante kada మన దగ్గర ఇక్కడ మీ అడిషనల్ కమిషనర్ ఆఫీస్లో కూడా చేయండి. లోకేష్ గారికి చెప్పి GHMC ఆఫీస్లో ఒక రోజు ఏర్పాటు చేద్దాం. CS గారికి ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, అంటే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి we will try to do it. Now there is no secretariat unfortunately, but we will do it for government also. ఆ విధంగా కూడా చేయండి. Institution by institution we want to take this thing and get the perfect role, and you and I together need to work towards making democracy strong in our country, making democracy true in our country. Believe me, whenever world looks at us, it is our democracy first and perhaps our IT and technology second. These are the two things that India is recognized for. Let's make both of them better. Thank you.